What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. Y'all, we are back here again with another mukbang. But before we get anything started, please go hit that subscribe button. Help your girl out in her food endeavors. And if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button or like or whatever the hell it is. I forget. But we got McDonald's here. We're just doing a quick little mukbang. And I got also two bottled up Coca-Colas because I'm noticing that what makes me burp more is bottled plastic or fucking glass bottle, doesn't matter. As long as there's it's bottled. I noticed that when it's from a fountain, it doesn't have as much carbonation. So y'all, I am so sorry. I've missed you guys for 2 weeks. I'm gonna drink some soda though. I'm so hungry. I haven't even eaten all day. There's a lot going on, new stuff in my life, y'all. But let's just start with saying your girl got COVID. Your girl tested positive for COVID. I think it was the 26th or something of August. I can't exactly remember what day. Maybe it was the 28th. But it was the end of August and I lost my taste and smell, y'all. So it was that week, that Monday, I forgot to make a video for y'all. And then I got sick that Thursday. And not really necessarily sick. I didn't have any crazy symptoms or anything. Oh yeah, this shit fucking, this does it. I didn't have any crazy symptoms. I just lost my taste and smell. And that's how I figured out that oh my God, your girl got COVID. So then I was down and I couldn't leave my house for 10 days. And so that really sucked. And yeah, and now we're back here and we're making a video. And I started my new job today. So my hair was in a bun. So that's why it's slicked back right here or slicked down, whatever. So yeah, your girl got a job. I'm gonna be managing a cafe. And I'm excited for just my future and God, ew, those sounded really fucking weird. I hate when my burps sound like they're stuck in my throat. But I haven't eaten all day because I just been on the fucking go. So it's already Tuesday evening and your girl needs to go to a meeting, so I'm trying to get this video done so I can dip out again and enjoy the rest of my evening. There we go, that was a little better. But if you guys want to follow me on other stuff, don't forget my Instagram and TikTok, it's all TheFoodBrat. There we go. So I got a Big Mac, an extra patty because that's how I get my Big Mac now. And I got 4 nuggets. They have the 2 for the buy one, get one for $1 or whatever. So I got some small fries, some nuggets, and a Big Mac. And yeah, let's fucking go in on this. Yo, I haven't had McDonald's in a minute because your girl's been eating hella healthy. And I have lost some weight. Not a crazy amount or anything, but your girl is starting to lose weight, and that is partially due to me not being able to eat during COVID because I was why am I gonna eat crazy stupid food when I can't taste anything? So I most of the time I just ate salads and avocado and tomato and stuff like that, apples and all right, so here's, y'all know what the McNuggets look like. Oh my God. Yo, shit is bomb. I'm so hungry. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. What do you guys like to get at McDonald's? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, it's so fucking good. This is a cherry Coke. There we go. That one was nice. That one made me happy because it was successful. Yeah, I don't even really have much else to say except I got COVID, I got a job, I'm registered as a drug and alcohol technician, so I can work in rehab facilities now. Your girl's like 44 days sober. That's badass too. Bomb. Some French fries. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so hungry, guys. This is gonna be like definitely like another shorter video because a lot of my videos go to like 20 minutes. Let's check out this Big Mac though. Oops. That extra patty. Yummy. 3 patties up in this biznatch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's so good. My back is hurting, y'all. Just like standing on my feet for, I was only at work for 5 hours. And just standing on my feet, like my lower back is hurting. I'm like, fuck, y'all, I'm old. I'm getting old, y'all. See, I don't even need to eat big like meals. Like, I'm definitely not a mukbanger that like gets a shit ton of food and eats all the food because like I naturally like don't even eat a lot anymore. Whatever. But I do burp. Oh yeah. Don't get scared, Cody. That was nice. Y'all. I ate this a little fast, y'all. I can't even explain to you guys how hungry I was today. Like, I woke up, I went to a 6:45 a.m. AA meeting because my coffee grinder stopped working. So I was like, I need coffee in the morning. And so I just went to the fellowship. And then I got some coffee from there. And then right after that meeting, I had a therapy appointment. And then right after that, I got ready for work. And then I worked from 11. I was supposed to be off at 3, but I guess one of the people didn't show up. And my whole thing is like, I'm going to be managing the cafe. So like I stayed until that person ended up showing up. And now we're here, pretty much. That's how it went. So yeah, let me know if you guys like shorter videos like this, or if you guys like the 20-minute videos that I do. It takes me forever to upload those things onto YouTube. Oh, we also hit 1,000 subs, y'all. Like, I am now monetized. 1,000 subs. And I think I can write little posts too and like go live. I don't know. There's like so many different things that I could do with having 1,000 subs. So thank you guys so much for rocking and rolling and jumping and jiving and whatever the fuck with me, y'all. Like, that is badass. Instagram at TheFoodBrat_, TikTok, TheFoodBrat, this one, YouTube, TheFoodBrat. So, yeah, very excited for that. Like, this is cool. It's cool. So that's that. I'm sorry, I feel like this video is just all over the place right now because like I forgot that I had to make the video this week because I was able to get out of quarantine on Sunday. So like I just been on the go. Like any chance that I had to like leave my house and like do something, I was like doing it because I spent 10 days stuck at home. And your girl didn't have any symptoms. Like I was fatigued the first 3 days, and I did have a headache the first 3 days. But other than that, the loss of taste and smell was about for 4 or 5 days, and then it started coming back. So yeah, it was just like, for me, my experience and my truth was that it was just any other cold, like maybe more kind of like flu-ish, but it wasn't even like, I wasn't like, everyone was like, oh my God, how are you? Like, are you? And I'm like, I'm alive, I'm good. COVID ain't got shit on me. So that's my truth, and that's my experience with it. They're like getting to that point to where they're not even good anymore, but they're still good. It's like the last, like if I waited 5 more minutes to eat these, they wouldn't have been good. See if I can do this in one bite. So good. Oh, all right. We're gonna end with this because we're already hitting 15 minutes. Woo! So good. So good. Like, McDonald's is so bad for you, but it's just so fucking good. Like, so bomb. My dog like freaks out every time I burp. Anyways, y'all, that's it for me. I'll be back here next week at our normal routine schedule. I'm so sorry that I've missed you guys for 2 weeks, but we'll be back next week, and I will see y'all later. And I need to like, my brain is all over the place right now because this was just like a super last minute video, but I still got it in. We ate, we got some burps in, we got some Coca-Cola, and I'm gonna get my shit ready so I can go to another meeting. And without y'all, I'm out. No, that was a little one. And I'll see you guys next week. I love you. I hope everyone has a great rest of your week. And thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for like sticking with me with this. And if you guys are new to my channel, like, thank you for fucking subscribing. And thank you for like joining me and shit. So anyways, I'm gonna fucking keep rambling and going on. I love you, and I will talk to y'all later. Okay, bye.